Money. Money in words and figures. We can write money in both words and figures. For example, 62 rupees is written in words as rupees 62. In figures, it is written like this with a rupee symbol in the beginning. Look at this amount. In words, it is written as rupees 23 and 7 paise. In figures, it is written like this. Conversion of rupees into paisa and paise into rupees. Let us learn the conversion of rupees into paise. We know that 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise. To convert rupees into paise, multiply the rupees by 100. For example, convert rupees 3 and 41 paise into paise. We can write this amount as rupees 3 plus 41 paise. Convert rupees 3 into paise by multiplying it with 100. We get 3 into 100 plus 41 paise, which is equal to 341 paise. Let us learn the conversion of paise into rupees. We know that 100 paise is equal to rupee 1. To convert paise into rupees, divide the paise by 100 or write 100 paise as rupee 1. For example, convert 340 paise into rupees. 340 paise can be written as 300 paise plus 40 paise. 300 paise can be written as 3 multiplied by 100 paise. We know that 100 paise is equal to 1 rupee. We can write this step like this. Thus, 340 paise is equal to rupees 3 and 40 paise. Adding and subtracting money. Add rupee 12.47 and rupee 32.32. Add the paise and then the rupees. 47 paise and 32 paise equals 79 paise. 12 rupees and 32 rupees equals 44 rupees. Now let us add these two amounts. Place the amounts in columns like this. Start adding from the rightmost column just like normal addition of numbers. The sum is rupees 51 and 17 paise. Now let us subtract these two amounts. Place the amounts in columns like this. Start subtracting from the rightmost column just like normal subtraction of numbers. The difference is rupees 32 and 86 paise. Multiplying and dividing money. We can multiply a given amount with a number just like we multiply numbers. We put the rupee symbol in the answer and put a dot to places from the right in the answer. Multiply rupee 53 and 50 paise by 3. Place the amounts in columns like this. We multiply the given amount with a number just like we multiply numbers. We put the rupee symbol in the answer and put a dot to places from the right in the answer. Let us learn to divide the amount of money. Divide rupee 14.68 by 2. Step 1. Divide the rupees amount. 14 divided by 2 equals 7. Write 7 as a quotient. Step 2. Divide the paise. 6 divided by 2 equals 3. Write 3 as a quotient. 8 divided by 2 equals 4. Write 4 as a quotient. Remember to put a dot in the quotient to places from the right because there are 2 places of decimals in the money amount. Hence, rupee 14.68 divided by 2 equals rupee 7.34. Reading bills and rate charts. The shopkeeper always gives us a piece of paper when we buy things from a shop. The piece of paper is called a bill. A bill shows the details of the items bought by us and the amount we have to pay for each item. It also gives us the total amount of money to the shopkeeper. A rate chart has the cost of each item available in the shop. Here, you can observe the rate chart of different stationery items. For example, the cost of a pencil box is 20 rupees. The cost of a crayon box is 35 rupees. Similarly, we can identify the cost of each item available in the stationery shop. From this rate chart, we can calculate the cost of more items. Cost of 4 pencil boxes will be rupees 80. Cost of 2 crayon boxes will be rupees 70. Cost of 5 notebooks will be rupees 60. Cost of 3 eraser boxes will be rupees 45. Cost of 1 sharpener box equals to rupees 15. Therefore, the total cost is equal to 270 rupees.